Wuhan, a central Chinese city once hit hard by COVID-19, has seen its urban life gradually return to normal since its lockdown was lifted 1 year ago. Behind me is the iconic Yangtze River Bridge, where traffic flow has returned to the same level as that before the epidemic. Now in Wuhan, the streets are packed, there are traffic jams, and shopping centers are crowded. And this is what a city of 11 million should be.
On April 8, 2020, Wuhan lifted outbound travel restrictions after a 76-day lockdown to stem the spread of COVID-19. The day was marked with much sentiment after Wuhan turned to the tide against the aggressive virus. 1 week after the lockdown was lifted, the last medical assistance team left Hubei province, and then Wuhan Liangshan Hospital, which was built in 10 days to treat COVID-19 patients, ceased operation. Wuhan has taken nearly 10 million residents in a 19-day drive to screen for novel coronavirus infections. After the voluntary and free citywide test, Wuhan residents who made great sacrifices during the city's lockdown have also lifted their psychological lockdown. The city has reported no new local cases of COVID-19 since May 18, 2020. As the epidemic wanes, cultural venues in Wuhan, like museums, libraries, cinemas, reopened to the public. Major tubes also resumed their on-site performances. People's lives have gradually returned to normal, and the city is accelerating the resumption of work and production. Wuhan is also a city known for its food and snacks. The aroma of sesame sauce emanated from Wuhan's signature hot dog noodles fills the city's alleys every morning.
因为我们店里平时人也比较多，原来疫情之前呢，都要排下队他就烦了。要经过那个疫情了，每个人跟人之间呢，更多的是更包容了。
Looking back to the months-long life and death battle, a large number of people, including medical personnel, volunteers, and grassroots workers, have made selfless contributions and helped the former epicenter to overcome its toughest time. Medical workers who have returned to their workplaces in other provinces will welcome back to visit Wuhan with their families.
就是自从疫情发生以来一直到它关仓到现在，整整1年，也盼了1年，应该这样说。第一次回来，那种感觉完全不一样。你看，这都是生气，特别欣慰。所有的付出没有白付出，付出终有回报，应该这样说。
The epidemic has changed people's lives to a large extent, while the situation has greatly improved. Everyone in the city is still cautious and strictly follows the epidemic control measures. The city is now on a steady recovery path. People are willing to go out and can't wait to embrace new lives. But they will never forget the hardest time they spared no effort to battle with.